Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the event ID 131 error message you're receiving in the Windows Event Viewer, where Windows is unable to retrieve the metadata for devices you've connected to your system. So this issue will occur when the metadata retrieval link does not resolve correctly, which would block the system from installing new devices. And I believe the general error message would read that the metadata staging failed for the container, and then it would list out some text. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back with Registry Editor. Right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever needed to import it back in, all you'd have to do is select File and then Import and then navigate to the file location. So now that that is done, we're ready to begin. And we're going to start off by double-clicking on the HK Local Machine folder. Do the same thing now for the Software folder. Go down to Microsoft and double-click on that. Should be a Windows folder if you scroll down far enough. And double-click on it. Go down to Current Version and double-click on that as well. Should be a device metadata folder in here. So if you need to pause and take note of our file path, you can see it up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is a different sub key that we've gone under to get to this point. And now directing our attention over to the right side, you want to locate a value that says device metadata service URL. Go ahead and double click on that. And now inside this field, I'm going to have a link in the description of the video. This is a Microsoft domain. So go ahead and copy and paste the text that's going to be in the description of my video. That's going to be for a Microsoft domain here, Microsoft.com, you can see. Select OK. And then once that is done, you can go ahead and close out of the registry editor. And you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. And now hopefully your issue has been resolved. You may also want to go underneath Advanced System Settings here. Go ahead and search for that in the search menu. And you want to select the Hardware tab. And then underneath Device Installation Settings, choose whether Windows downloads manufacturers, apps, and custom icons available for your devices. Select Device Installation Settings. And now make sure it's selected to No here. So select No. And then if you had to make any changes, you just would select Save Changes at this point. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.